In this video, we're going to cover what exactly a trademark is. Hi, I'm Erika Kullberg. I'm a lawyer and the founder of Plug & Law, where we make legal simple. And just quickly, if you want to know more about trademarks, I created a free trademark guide that you can download. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get that and legally protect your brand. So diving right in, let's talk about what trademarks are. Put simply, trademarks are words or logos that help consumers identify the source of a product or service. So what exactly does that mean? Well, what do you think of when you see this? McDonald's, right? Well, that M is actually a trademark. That M helps you identify McDonald's as a source of restaurant services, hamburgers, and French fries. A registered trademark helps to protect you from other companies infringing on your brand by using similar words or logos that might confuse consumers as to the source of your goods or services. Let's say another burger restaurant store not affiliated with McDonald's starts using a highly similar large yellow. You can see why consumers might get confused into thinking they're entering an actual McDonald's, and obviously they'll be disappointed when they soon learn that they were duped. So registering trademarks helps to prevent this confusion so that consumers will only associate your trademarks with your products and services. Again, if you want to learn more about trademarks, you can download the free trademark guide down below. And please also hit the thumbs up if this quick video was helpful, and I'll see you next in this video where we go over the difference between trademarks, copyrights, and patents.